Is your AMANA HVAC system acting up in Florence, Arizona? Don't sweat it. Allstate Air and Heating is here to help. We specialize in expert AMANA HVAC repair and installation services. Whether it's your residential haven or commercial space, we've got you covered. From the ALXS4N to the ASXH3, we know AMANA systems inside and out. Our certified technicians deliver professional, reliable service every time. Need a quick repair? We'll diagnose and fix the issue efficiently. Considering a new installation? We offer top-notch AMANA units and seamless setup. Experience the Allstate difference, quality service at competitive prices. We handle all types of AMANA systems, packaged units, side discharge, split systems, and more. Air conditioners, heat pumps, ductless mini splits, you name it, we service it. Trust the experts with your comfort. Trust Allstate Air and Heating, serving the Southeast Valley and surrounding areas. Call Allstate Air and Heating today at 480-7044828 or visit allstateairandheating.com for a free quote. All honesty, all integrity, all the time.